Welcome. In this video, we will be going to understand about the energy. Energy has many of the forms. Energy neither be created nor be destroyed. It only transforms from one state in one form to the another form. From mechanical energy to the electrical energy, from electrical energy to mechanical energy by some specific instrument. That is the different form. Okay. About the instrument by which energy will be converted, that will be we'll talk about in a different chapter. Here we are going to understand about the energy. What is energy? Energy is defined as ability of doing work. Ability of doing work. What does it mean? In a previous class we will understand about the work. So generally we applied F is equal to ds. Okay. So we need, if we know about the object as is at place A and it's going to at B by applying the F force, then the integral of F dot dr will be give the work done. Okay, let's change it. It is equal to 1 upon 2 mVb square is equal to 1 upon 2 mVa square, and that is work done is equal to change in kinetic energy. We will look at in a different form. How we will get it? As we know, work energy relation. What is it? Work energy relation. Then as we know the equation of motion. V square is equal to u square plus 2as. We know about it. It's very simple. Everyone can derive it. So let's multiply by the 1 upon 2 m. In both multiply in both side. Multiply by 1 upon 2 mv square in both side. Then what will be 1 upon 2 mv square is equal to 1 upon 2 mu square plus 2as into 1 upon 2 m. Simple. Let's convert it. 1 upon 2 mv square minus 1 upon 2 mu square is equal to 2 to cut mas. What is ma? It is the force. F into s. That is the work done. So it is the final kinetic energy at a final condition, and it is the kinetic energy at a initial phase, initial state, and that is the work done. So we can write it, changing kinetic energy is equal to work done. This is the relationship of the energy and change in the relationship between the work and change in the energy. Energy cannot be created nor be destroyed. Energy can convert in a different forms. One of form is the energy, that is mechanical energy. Mechanical energy generally we are classified in a two form, that is a potential energy and kinetic energy. Potential energy and kinetic energy. What is potential energy? Any object which the energy of object because of its specific position, and that is known as a potential energy, and it is defined as a mgh. How will we come it? From the force. I told you F into ds, that is the work are stored in a form of energy. Okay, that's the ability. So F is the mg and displace it the h, that is mgh. The energy because of the motion of object as known as the kinetic energy, and it is defined as, it is comes similarly like this way, 1 upon 2 mv square. That is the kinetic energy. It is the different form also. Nuclear energy. Others are thermodynamic, heat and energy. Elastic energies. in different of form. It always convert from one form to another form. Okay, so that is the energy. Let's look about the power. What is the power? The rate of change of energy with time is known as power. It is mathematically it is defined P power is equal to E over time. Its unit of power is, what will be the unit of energy is joule, unit of time second, joule per second. We wrote it as a watt. Biggest unit, one of the big unit of power is horse power. That is 1 HP is equal to 746 joule per second or watt. That is a simple of power. Generally, you need people they are ask you about this formula or about the unit. This or third thing they are asking about the dimensional formula. In the first chapter you have studied about it. So let's the dimensional formula of energy. What will be? As we know, force, displacement. What was the force? Dimensional formula of force m l t minus 2, displacement l. So it will become m L2 T minus 2. This is the dimensional formula of work. This is the dimensional formula of work. This dimensional formula of energy. Every form of energy. Dimensional formula of every form of energy. They are many time confused you that what is the dimensional formula of the thermal energy? What will be the dimensional formula of the nuclear energy? That is the form. And next is the power. Dimensional formula of power. So simple. Energy over time. So energy is ml2 t minus 2 and then time t, and it is going to ml2 t minus 3. That is the dimensional formula. Thank you for watching this video.